Hello, good morning to everyone. Now we are going to start our next topics of fractions, like fractions. We have already learned improper fraction, mixed fraction, proper fractions, and simplest form of a fraction, equivalent fraction. But now we will learn what is like fraction. So note down this. What is like fraction? Like fraction. Fractions, two or more fractions with have the same denominator. If the denominator always is, remember, suppose like this one 4 by 5. Upside is numerator, it is denominator. If two or more fractions have the denominator is same, we called they are like a fraction. So fraction with the same denominator are called like fraction. So 5, 5, 5. Always remember. Next is unlike fraction. So unlike fraction means opposite of like. If denominator are not same, fraction with different denominator are called unlike fraction. If unlike fraction means if the denominator are different, denominator 15 here is 14, that means they are unlike. Understand it? So note down these two, also very important. Now next part is how to compare. Comparing means examiner asks you which one is smaller, which one is greater, right? How to compare like fraction. So how to compare of like fraction? So in like fraction, suppose I ask you 2 by 5 and it is 3 by 5. So tell me which one sign we will use here, this one or this one. So it means which one is greater, which one is smaller. So use the sign of any one sign of the greater. So which one? So we will use. So how will we find? Look at what is meaning of 2 by 5. 2 by 5 mean 2 is out of 5 equal part. So we will take 5 equal part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 is out of. So it is 1 and it is 2. So it is 2 by 5. 2 by 5. Next is again make 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again now 3 upon 5. So 1, 2, 3. So tell me which one is greater? It is 3 by 5. So 2 by 5 only this much and 3 by 5 only this much. So which one is greater? 3 upon 5. So which one is greater? 3 divided by 5. 3 divided by 5. One more example you can look like this one. Now we will check it. 2 by 6 and 5 by 6. So which one is greater? So one more part. 6 equal part. It is 2 by 6 and it is 5 by 6. So which one is greater? This one is greater. So it's mean always one thing is remember. If fractions are like, which one? If fraction 5, 5, 6, 6. So which one is greater? A fraction whose numerator is greater is also greater. So a fraction whose numerator is greater in a like fraction, it is also a greater. So note down it is. It is very important. If fractions are like, if fractions are like, then the fraction with have greater numerator is greater. So always remember, if fractions are like, then the fraction with have greater numerator The fractions which have the greater numerator is greater. So always suppose like this one, 4 by 5, 2 by 5. So which one is greater? This one is greater because numerator is greater. Next is 12 by 15 and 9 by 15. They are like, yes. So which one is greater? This one is greater. Okay. So it is for how to compare of like a fraction. So note down this example also. Okay. And this one. Next is unlike a fraction. Now how will we compare to unlike fraction? Very important this one. How to compare unlike a fraction. Unlike fraction, everyone know what is unlike fraction? Unlike fraction mean, everyone, what is unlike fraction? If fractions have the different denominator, like this one, 2 by 5 and 3 upon 4. So tell me which one is greater? It is very difficult. Look at 2 is 5 equal part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same as it is. 4 equal part. Now 2 upon 5. 1 and 2. So it is 2 upon 5. Now 4, 1, 2, 3. Now 3, you can write 2 upon 4. 2 upon 4. So 2 upon 5, 2 upon 4. So 1. So which one is greater? So from the diagram you can say that 2 by 4 is greater. 2 by 4 is greater. Not 2 by 5. So it is very difficult to how to compare unlike fraction. A simple method I am telling you, and then it is very easy. So how will you make? Look at. Everyone understand? I hope everyone understand how to make a equivalent fraction. So first step is always what we will find. We will make numerator and denominator same. Okay. So first take LCM of, always take the LCM. Always we will make the denominator same, because if denominator are same, they are become like fraction, and like fraction we can compare easily. So first step is always take LCM of denominators. Understand? Understand or not? And next is to find LCM of 4 and 5. So LCM of 4 and 5. These are divided by any numbers? No. So 4, they are divided by 4. Yes, 4. So 2, 5 as it is. Now 2, 1, 5. Again it is divided by 5, 1, 5. So what is LCM? So LCM, everyone know. LCM and HCF I know. Everyone is know. What is LCM of 4 and 5? So 2 into 2 into 5. So what is 2 into 2? 4. 4 into 5? 20. So what is LCM? The LCM is 20. Now it is 2 by 5. And we know LCM is 20. So we will make denominator is like a LCM. What is? So what number you will multiply by 5? Then it is become 20. So what number you multiply? 5, 4. So and always multiply numerator and denominator by same number. 4, 4, 4. So 8 by 20. So 2 by 5 equal to 8 by 20. Same as it is 2 by 4. So 2. What number you multiply by 4? Then it is become 20 again. So 4 into 5. So here is also 5. So 10 by 20. So 2 by 5 means 8 by 20. So it means 2 by 5 equal to 8 by 20. And it is become 2 by 4 means 10 by 20. Now you can compare which one is greater, 8 by 20 or 10 by 20? 10 by 20. So 10 by 20 is greater. So it is greater. 2 by 4 is greater. Understand? So how will you find? Only one thing is remember. We will find the LCM of denominator and make the denominator same. Okay. So note down 1 minute. I am writing and you note down it. To write, if fractions are unlike, then we find LCM of denominators. LCM of we find LCM of denominators and make the denominator same. Make the denominator same. Okay, always one thing is remember. What we'll do? We will make the denominator same. We will make the denominator same. And denominator, how can we make same? By taking LCM. Okay, so example, suppose I am writing. So look at suppose 2 by 7 and 4 by 5. So which one is greater? This one. So first we will find LCM of denominator. So write LCM of 7 and 5 is how much? LCM we will write both. Listen carefully. We will write both numbers and we will write a number we will write here prime number. What is prime number? A number which have exactly 2 factors. First prime number 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. These are prime numbers. 9 is not a prime number. Okay. So we will divide. It is divided by 2. No, both number are not dividing. But what? Any other number? By 5 both number are dividing? No. 5 because only by divide by 5 can divide only 5, not 7. So it means no any number which is divided both the number. So it means 7 into 5 is 35. Okay. So multiply both 7 into 5 it is 35. Understand? So now LCM of 7 and 5 is 35. Now then we find the LCM of denominator. Now make the denominator same. So it means 2 by 7 equal to, now denominator is 7. We will make denominator 35. So tell me what number you will multiply by the 7. Then it is become 35. So what number? By 5. So in numerator also 5. Both multiply should be same. So 10 by 35. Same as it is 4 by 5. Now again we will make denominator same. Here is denominator 35. So here is also 35. So what number you multiply by 5? Then it is become 35. So 7. So 4 into 7. So 28 by 7. So tell me 10 by 35 and 28 by 35. Denominator it is like fraction, and in like fraction a fraction whose numerator is greater. Whose numerator? 28. So which one is 4 by 5? So 4 by 5 is greater. Understand it? Like this one you can find. Look at how will we find the LCM of a numbers. Example, suppose find LCM of 10 and 16. So LCM, so always by dividing method. By prime factor you already learned in 4th and 5th class. So 10 and 16. Always we will divide both number by prime number. A number which can divide it by at least both numbers. Okay. So 10 divided by 2, 5. It is 8. Any other number which can divide both numbers? 5 is divided only 5, not 8. 3 is divided and no. So it means no any number. So what is LCM? So LCM is 2 into 5 into 8. 2 into 5, 10. 10 into 8, 80. So what is LCM of 10 and 16 is 80. One more number, look at it is 80. One more. LCM of 12 and 16. 12 and 16. So write 12 and 16. So these are divided by 2, 6, 8. Again 2, 3, 4. Any other number we can. 2 is divided only 4, not 3. So it means both numbers should be divided. So it means no any other number. So LCM is 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 3 into 4. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 3, 12. 12 into 4, 48. So LCM is 48. Okay. So note down this one. It is very important how to compare unlike fraction. So in a like fraction is very easy to compare. Only if numerator is greater, the number is greater. But in unlike fraction, what we will do? First we will make them like a fraction. Then we can compare. Now exercise 7.4. Exercise. Exercise 7.4. First part. First question. First part. What is given? It is given 1, 2, 3. It is given next is and last is this one. So we have to first is write the shaded portion as a fraction. So fraction is 8 equal part 2 by 8. Next is 6 by 8. It is 4 by 8. It is 1 by 8. Now arrange them in ascending and descending order. So write with using sign. Okay, with using sign. So write ascending order. So ascending order means always first we will write smaller. Which one is small? All are like 8, 8, 8. So it means which one is smaller? 1 by 8 by this sign. Next is 2 by 8. Next is 4 by 8. Next is 6 by 8. Because they are like a fraction. In a like fraction we can compare easily. In a like fraction which one is greater? Whose numerator is greater? Same as it is descending order. So descending order means always first we will write greater number. Which one is greater? 6 by 8, 4 by 8, 2 by 8 and 1 by 8. It is ascending order. It is descending order. Okay. Now B part you will do yourself for the first question. Okay. B part you will do yourself. Next is C part. C part. So 2 by 6, 4 by 2 by 6, 4 by 6, 8 by 6 and 6 by 6 on the number line and put the appropriate sign between the fraction. So first we will show number line. Number line we already learned how to show that. Like this one. It is number line. It is 0. It is 1. It is 2. And left side is minus. Next what is given? 2 by 6. 2 by 6 means 2 is out of 6 equal part. So we will take a 6 equal part. We will take here 6 equal part. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is 1 and it is 2. Yes, it is 1, it is 0. Okay. 0, 1, 2. So 6 equal part. So it means it is first is 0 by 6. It is 1 by 6. 2 by 6. So dark it. 3 by 6. It is 4 by 6. It is 5 by 6. And next is 6 by 6. And 6 divided by 6, how much come? 1. So 6 by 6 means 1. But we have to find 6 by 6. Okay. but we have to find 8 by 6 also. That means next is 7 by 6. So again we will divide by 6 part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. Next is 7 by 6. Next is 8 by 6. So it is on number line. So you can represent any number like this one. Okay. Next is put appropriate sign. So 5 by 6 and it is 2 by 6. So which one is greater? 5 by 6 from here to here and 2 by 6 only this one. So which one is greater? So this one is greater. 5 by 6. Next is 3 upon 6 and it is 0. So which one is greater? 0 mean 0 upon 6. 0 divided by any number is 0. So which one? It is 0 by 6. It is 3 by 6. So which one? 3 by 6. Next is 1 by 6 and this one 6 by 6. So which one is greater? It is 1 by 6. It is 6 by 6. So next part also you will do yourself. Okay. Next is question number 2. Question number 2. Compare the following fraction. So first part you can do yourself because it is a like fraction. B part I am telling you, B part, only B part. What is 1 by 7? It is 1 by 4. We observe they are unlike fraction. So in unlike fraction what we will make? First we will make. So what we will make? We will take the LCM of the denominators. Okay. Otherwise, or you can say that we will make the denominator is same. So you write LCM of 7 and 4 is. So find LCM 7 and 4. Any prime number you know which can divide both numbers? No. So it means direct you can multiply 7 into 4, 28. So LCM is 28. So it means 1 by 7. What number you multiply by the 7, then it is become 28. So 4. So 4 by 28. Same as it is 1 by 4. Here is also denominator 28 because we are making denominator is same. So what number? 4 into 7, 1 into 7. So 7 by 28. So you can write, next is you can write 1 by, so 4 by 28 and this sign. Next is 7 by 28. Which one is greater? So 7 by 28 and 4 by 28 mean 1 by 7. This one, and 7 by 28 mean 1 by 4. So like this one you can find out the unlike fraction also. So second part, do yourself all this part. And question number 3, you have to make yourself. You have to make yourself any other example. You will write any example. Make 5 more such pair and appropriate sign. Any. For the third question, you can write yourself any fraction like this one. 2 by 5, 7 by 4. Find LCM. Second, any 7 by 8, 2 by 3. Find this one. So like this one, you can make any example. You can write any fraction and put the sign. Okay, it is the question number 3. Any fraction you can write by yourself. Okay. Next, question number first we are making question number 5. Only 2 minutes. We have the 2 more minutes because video is already lengthy. So question number 5. You will do yourself. Question number 5. How quickly can you do this? Fill the appropriate sign. So question number A part, B part. First is B part. 2 by 4. Next 3 by 6. But we know they are unlike a fraction. So it means first we will make the denominator same. And how will we find? So first we will find LCM of 4 and 6. So LCM of 4 and 6. 4 it is 6. So what number? A number 2, 2, 3. Any another number? No. So what is LCM? 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 3, 12. Is 12. So it's mean 2 upon 4. So it's mean we have to make denominator is 12. So 2 by 4. So denominator is 12. So 2 multiply. So 4, what number you multiply by 4? Then it is become 12. So 3. Here is also 3. So 6 by 12. Same as it is. 3 upon 6. So what number you will multiply? Then 6. Then it become 12. So 6 into 2, 3 into 2. So it is 6 by 12. So 6 by 12. So we can observe one is 6 by 12 and next is 6 by 12. And 6 by 12 and 6 by 12 both are, yes, 12, 12. And the 6, it means both are with sign, they are equal. So 6 by 12 mean 2 by 4. And it is 6 by 12 mean here is 3 by 6. So it means you will put the sign equal sign. Understanding? Same as it is, you can do all part of this one. Okay, all part you can do this one. One more part, otherwise you can check it. So always remember, if unlike fraction is given, we will make the denominator is same. F part, so 7 by 9 and 3 by 9. Yes, they are like fraction, and like fraction, which one is greater? Whose numerator is greater? Who's greater? 7. So it is also greater. So only there is one thing, only very simple things. If like fraction is given, so whose numerator is greater? Number is greater. But in unlike fraction, first we will make like fraction, then we compare. Understand it? So question number 1, 2, 3, 5. And question number 3, 4 also you can do yourself. Same as it is question number 5. Okay. So thank you everyone. Have a nice day. So question number 4 also you will do yourself.